Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are firing up one of the most ferocious American muscle cars still in production, the 2027 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. And looking at this menacing black example parked in front of the Dodge dealership, you can feel the raw power and attitude radiating from every panel. This is the ultimate expression of modern muscle, a supercharged V8 monster that delivers earth-shattering performance, head-turning style, and that unmistakable Dodge personality. Whether you are a straight-line enthusiast, a track day regular, or someone who just loves the thrill of a proper American pony car, the 2027 Hellcat continues to deliver an experience that few other vehicles can match. We are going to cover its aggressive exterior, the driver-focused interior, how it performs, pricing, and who it is really made for. Let us start right at the front, where the Challenger SRT Hellcat looks ready to devour the road. The massive hood with the functional air scoop, the aggressive front bumper with the splitter, and the iconic crosshair grille with the Hellcat badging create an intimidating and purposeful face. The LED headlights and the wide stance give it a modern yet classic muscle car presence. And those functional vents and scoops are not just for show, they help feed the beast underneath. In this glossy black with the red accents, it looks sinister and premium all at once. Moving along the side, the Challenger's long hood, short deck, and wide body proportions are timeless. The flared fenders house massive wheels and tires that fill the arches perfectly, while the low stance and subtle Hellcat badging add to the performance aesthetic. The roofline and rear quarters maintain that classic fastback-inspired shape that has made the Challenger an icon. It looks fast standing still and promises chaos when the throttle is pinned. Around the back, the Hellcat keeps the drama alive with bold taillights, a functional spoiler, and the wide, planted rear end. Quad exhaust outlets, or the signature setup on this model, exit aggressively, and the diffuser elements add to the track-ready look. The overall rear design is clean yet menacing, with every detail reinforcing the car's performance credentials. Now let us step inside, because the interior of the 2027 SRT Hellcat is surprisingly refined while staying true to its muscle car roots. The cabin features supportive sports seats with Hellcat embroidery and available Alcantara or leather, a thick steering wheel with paddle shifters, and a modern dashboard with a large touchscreen infotainment system. Analog gauges sit front and center for that classic feel, while the latest Uconnect system keeps you connected with navigation, performance pages, and smartphone integration. The rear seats are best for occasional use or extra storage, and the overall cabin is comfortable for daily driving with good materials and thoughtful details. It is a cockpit that gets you excited to drive while remaining livable. On the road, the 2027 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is an absolute monster. The supercharged 2-liter V8 delivers insane horsepower and torque figures that launch you down the road with tire-shredding force. The transmission shifts quickly, the suspension is tuned for both straight-line stability and cornering grip, and the brakes are up to the task of slowing this beast down. Launch control, line lock, and various drive modes let you tailor the experience from daily cruiser to full-on drag strip weapon. It is loud, fast, and full of character in a way that modern performance cars often lack. Fuel economy is what you would expect from a Hellcat, but that is part of the charm. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 SRT Hellcat remains a premium muscle car offering. Expect MSRP starting in the high $70,000 to $90,000 plus S range, depending on configuration and options, with fully loaded examples climbing higher. That puts it in serious performance territory where the driving experience and exclusivity more than justify the cost for enthusiasts. Strong demand often means limited availability and good resale value. So who is the 2027 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat perfect for? And what suggestions do I have? It is ideal for enthusiasts who crave raw power, head-turning style, and that pure American muscle car experience. If you love straight-line acceleration, weekend canyon runs, or just want a car that makes every drive exciting, this is it. Pros include the insane performance, iconic styling, engaging driving experience, and the fun factor. Considerations might be the thirstier fuel consumption, firmer ride, or limited practicality. My suggestions: go for the manual if available to maximize engagement, or the automatic with the performance upgrades. Consider the wide body package for extra grip and presence. Add quality tires, brakes, and maintenance plans for track use. Take it to a drag strip or cars and coffee meet to fully enjoy what it can do. It also makes a fantastic garage companion for more practical daily drivers. Overall, the 2027 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat continues to deliver the thrill that made the name legendary while incorporating modern technology and refinement. This black example looks absolutely sinister and powerful, and perfectly captures why Hellcats remain so desirable. If you are in the market for a no-compromise American muscle car, this one should be at the top of your list. What do you think about the 2027 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat? Would you daily one or keep it as a weekend toy? Drop your thoughts, questions, or favorite Hellcat stories in the comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this detailed review, please hit that like button, subscribe for more muscle car content, and check the links in the description for specs or comparisons. Thanks so much for watching. Safe drives, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.